High bail keeping you or a loved one in jail? That number is not always final.
When someone is arrested, the goal is simple: get them home fast.
That search could be the difference between jail and freedom.
A bond reduction hearing asks the judge to lower bail or remove it entirely. In some cases, lawyers can even request a PR bond, no money required.
Bail laws vary by county. Local lawyers know the judges and the bail schedules. Judges look at community ties, employment, criminal history, and ability to pay. A bondsman can post bail, but can't lower it. A lawyer can. Lowering bail can save thousands, often covering the lawyer's fee. Time matters. The sooner a motion is filed, the sooner release is possible. Find a bond reduction lawyer near you. Freedom starts with the right legal move.